Hi everyone, good morning. Today I got my Google Pixel 6 from shoptheworld.in. So ideally it was supposed to be delivered by Blue Dart yesterday, but there were some network delays, so it got delivered early morning today. So I would like to thank shoptheworld.in for selling me at a cheaper rate, which is at least 5% less than Amazon.in. And I would also like to thank Mr. Sudarshan for helping me out in buying the Pixel 6 from shoptheworld.in. So here is the unboxing video. So I will show you how the package looks like and how the phone looks like. So this is the package that we got from shoptheworld.in early morning today from Bluda. So I will just go ahead and do the unboxing of the package. So, and if you see, this is the Pixel phone that was wrapped, that came wrapped in the bubble wrap. So, and and if you see, this is the Pixel phone that we got sealed. So let's do the unboxing of the phone. So if you see, this is the Pixel phone that I received. So it looks brand new, and these are the accessories that I received. So thank you shoptheworld.in for the help and for providing a new Google Pixel phone at a very good price.